Here I am working from the comfort of my home, and you can do it too with a simple online business. We try to make it complicated, but it really isn't if you have the step-by-step blueprint that's going to make you successful. I'm Jennifer, your oldie but goodie. I'm 58 years old. I'm just a regular person. And if I can do it, you can do it too if you follow the steps. So stay tuned, and I'm going to take you through exactly what you need to do to make this happen. Okay, back in the studio so we can get to work. So I'm going to actually take you into the system and show you exactly what you get. Now, then we'll talk a little bit about how to get started, because that's the simple part. But I do want to show you, because so many people think of digital marketing as this scammy thing, but it's really just an e-learning program. And I want you to see firsthand what you get when you purchase this program. So let's get into the system. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I do want you to see the value. That's the main thing, is I wanted you to see the value of what you're getting when you purchase this program. So this is where you go to get your information. So these are all of the courses within the program. And again, I'm not going to go through every bit of this because I don't want to overwhelm you, but I wanted you to see that this is not just something that you're going to resell. This is something you are going to learn how to have your own online business. It is not about buying a course to resell a course. No, absolutely not. So you can see we teach you what resale rights mean, the winning mindset, everything that you need to learn. And it's on and on. So if you go back to the top, you'll see that it said in the Legacy Builders program, there are 166 lessons. So talk about continuous learning. It's all right here. Of course, when you started, you plugged in your email here, and this is the exact website capture page funnel that you are going to get as well. So you can see what I have. That's what you're getting too. You can change your picture. You can, customize it a little bit, but it's all right there for you. So you get this capture page, which then takes people to your website. And this website is the exact same website that you saw when you purchased from me. This is it. You get the same thing. Now, there's an area here where you can customize what you want, for yourself, what you want people to know about you, but the rest is provided. Everything is provided for you. Payment, they set up payments here, everything. This is all done for you. So that's why we say you don't have to have a lot of technical skills, and people, balk about that, but it's absolutely true, because all you're doing is taking your domain, connecting it to this website that's already provided, setting up your payment gateways, and then everything is done on the back end. Talk about passive. And then once everything is set up, all you do is promote it, get people here to purchase, and you move on. It's amazing. Now, the other great part about this program is the community itself. Now, remember, you have lifetime access. So this is something you will have lifetime access to, no additional payments, no additional fees, no monthly fees, nothing. So you can see here, Michelle, who is the creator of the program, she actually puts out a daily mentoring video that tells us exactly what we need to do to be successful. And you can see we as members can go in and make comments and ask questions. There is an area for tech support, social media questions. You can see here we have 45,000 members in this program, which shows you that it's in demand and it is successful, or people wouldn't do it. So once you get into the community, you can see there's also more training provided to you. So you can see the content vault, there's video hooks, there's social media training, and it's just on and on, folks. The calendar, you can see here, every single day there's some type of training. There's some type of mentoring. There's even weekly tech calls. So if you have an issue with something in your website or some connection, you can actually get online with a live person who will help you through that. I can't express how phenomenal this program is. So anyway, that is the actual community itself, lifetime access. And I think this gives you a feel for what is behind the scenes. So next, let's talk about why this is the easiest online program that you can get into. So now that you've had a sneak peek of what's inside the program, now let's talk about why this is the best business for beginners and how to get started and how simple the process is, because I think you're going to be blown away with how simple this is. Now, if this is already something that you are excited about as much as I am, put ready down below in the comments, because I would love to connect with you so we can talk more about this program. Also, stay to the end because I have a bonus tip for those looking to start an online business, because you will want to hear this. The Digital Growth Community is a master resale rights program. And what that means is the program is already set up for you. You learn and earn at the same time. So while you're learning everything that I showed you on the back end, you're actually able to resell the program for 100% profits. So to me, that is actually one of the biggest reasons, because I wanted to have more time freedom. I wanted more time. So I don't have to spend all this time creating a product to sell. It's already created for me. So that takes up zero time for me to create the product. So again, we're getting back to what is your reason for doing this? And the biggest reason for me was time. I wanted time back in my life. So the program is ready. You turn around and resell it. Bam, more time that you have to do what you want to do. So secondly, there is zero risk. There is zero risk. The only thing that you risk is your initial investment, which is minimal. So depending on which level you choose, say you do the Legacy Builders program, which is $900, you have the chance of losing that, I guess, if you quit and don't try to resell the program. But as soon as you sell one, you are in profit mode. So the risk is so minimal with this program because, again, you don't have to set it up. You don't have to create a program. You do one initial startup cost. That's it. No monthly fees, no additional payments at all for lifetime access. And you sell it over and over and over and over, and that money goes in your pocket. That is the most phenomenal business strategy I've ever seen. And I say that all the time. I'm a broken record because it's true. It's true. Where can you buy a program that's ready, and not only ready, but so much value that you can turn around and resell it for 100% profits? Zero risk, folks. That is a huge reason to start with the Digital Growth Community. And the last big reason for me is the community, because I don't want to buy something and be on my own trying to figure it out. Where we have this amazing community. These are the kindest people I have ever worked with, because you can post a question in that community and someone is going to be kind enough to respond to you and help you through whatever it is that you're going through, whatever question that you have, whatever stumbling block you have. So having those 45,000 like-minded people who have the same goals is huge, huge for me. And I think that's because I'm older and we kind of just need that guidance since this online thing is really new to me, new to you. So having that support is absolutely priceless. So now let's get into how to start. That's the big thing, is how do I start? And I'm telling you, I can't make this any more simple because it's so easy to start. So as I showed you, you go online, put in your email address, and it takes you to that sales page that explains all the different programs. All you do is pick one. You can pick one at any level, $100 to $900. You can pick any level. Once you do that, you gain access to the program itself and the community. And then you set up your domain and connect everything, and you're off and running. It really is that simple. I know, it sounds crazy, but it really is that simple, people. 1 to 2 days, you're up and running. So you can start learning. You want to understand what the program's about before you start selling it, but start learning, kind of get a grasp of what the program is about, and then you can start promoting it. And whether that's on social media, on YouTube, on Pinterest, through free ads, we give you so many avenues to try and help you grow your business, because that is the goal, is for you to grow your business. So once you pick your program, you get everything connected, you start selling. And we actually show you in the program how to, if you don't have a TikTok account, if you don't have an Instagram, or whichever platform you choose, how to set those up and get started. Plus, I give you free mentoring. So when you purchase, I actually will get on a call with you and we will make sure everything is good to go, answer all your questions, so you feel comfortable moving forward. So that's basically it. That's basically how you can change your life in these few simple steps. And this is not, I'm not giving you a sales pitch here. I want you to improve your life. That's why I'm on here trying to help people understand what this can do for you. But this digital growth community is more than I can ever explain on a video. It really is. With all of the support, with the creator of the program who is there for us every single day, with the live calls, with the training, with being able to ask people questions, you're never left in the dark. And that was so important to me as an older person who didn't really know technology. But this has opened up a whole new world for me. And if you're somebody who loves to learn like I do, this is going to absolutely blow your mind. I have a blast doing this and a blast helping people realize their potential. And that's probably one of the biggest stumbling blocks that I see, is that people feel like they can't do it because they don't have any experience, they don't have any tech skills. But you will be blown away with what you're capable of if you just give yourself a chance and you let people help you get there. You have stories that people will connect with. You might think that you don't deserve it, or that you can't do it, or that you're exhausted from 1 or 2 jobs that you have, but you have to think beyond that. And you have to think about what this is going to do to actually change your life, change your future, give you financial freedom, give you time freedom. It is amazing where you can actually work from home or work from anywhere. So you can be on vacation and post a couple of videos and work with your customers while you are doing whatever it is you want to do. That's the piece, like I've said before, that I was after, is that time freedom. I've been in corporate America for over 30 years, and I was just exhausted from the day in and day out bureaucracy. And I knew that my skills could be used somewhere else to help me and my family more than working a 9-to-5. I think that's one of the misconceptions, is that we're told when we're young, you graduate from high school, you maybe or maybe not go to college, you get a regular job, and that's what your life is about. And that's not what your life is about. Your life is about having abundance and joy. And that's what I wish for everybody. And that's why I'm going to help everybody I can get to that point with this program. So what do you think? Didn't I tell you that this is step by step and anyone can do it? So can you. So the next thing, though, is completely in your control, and that's taking action. You just have to do it. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. So take that first step. The information is in my description. I would love to bring you on this journey with me, because you're really going to enjoy it and you're going to be able to have time freedom, which is exactly what I was after. So let's do this. Let me know what I can do to help. You can set up a time to meet with me on my calendar, and that's completely free, because I want to help you be successful in this online space as well. Thanks. Have a good one.